Good day everyone, it's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if today is your first time coming to our YouTube channel, please do well to like, comment, subscribe and share. If you literally have any question or anything you want to ask me, right, just make sure to drop the comments, okay? And basically today we're going to be talking about how to backtest, right? I have actually done the part 1 of how to backtest, and many people are like I should actually do the part 2, or I should like go in and teach more, right? But probably this actually will I say, it's not like it's the only one we talk about in our in our groups on Telegram. Can do well to join my Telegram channel. The link is also at the video description below also. Then also, if you want to really learn more, or like will I say, you need my time and services, right? Maybe mentorship, or to guide you properly, you understand, in any form, maybe passing a challenge account, FTMO, or Myforexfunds, or any guidance at all, just do well to contact me on Telegram also, or on WhatsApp. But probably today we're going to be talking about how to backtest, right? So if you look here, these photos, I want to show you guys something. So some people ask, what is the benefit of this backtesting? What does it actually like give me in, so but like this high insights. Okay, this was when they move, like I believe this was on a Monday. So this is just what I gained from backtesting. This is what I know what will happen next, right? Like this is how I know and anticipate what will happen next in the markets, right? So looking from this picture, you see I actually pointed this out in the VIP group. I showed them, see, look at the daily candle, because this is the daily time frame, EURUSD on the daily. You can see basically this was meant to be a bullish day, right? But price is literally going lower to do what? Form the low of the day on this particular day. I showed them, look at the daily candle. So the next time I dive down to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that the market actually was pushed up, leaving a fair value gap, price to return to, you understand. So I was like, once price return here, I'll still wait for confirmation to enter, right? So due to I know that it was a bullish day, so I'm just looking for price lower to what buy, you understand. So probably, as you can see, price came back down. Now once I see something like this, I see an up move from my analysis, and I waited patiently, because this actually takes time. It doesn't like happen immediately, right? So I waited patiently for the pullback happened. I also showed them, see, and I told them, once I see a pullback happening nicely like this, without not breaking higher or where I'm expecting it to break, it also gives me more confidence and confluence, right? So basically this around 9. Also remember, time actually matters in trading. Then boom, this was it. You can see how this trade played out well, right? So that is basically it. And you can see the daily time frame now, the daily candle also. So I actually bring out my time to show them this. As I'm trading personally, I still teach them, right? As I'm trading, I still teach my VIP members. And as you can see, this is my certificate of my forex fund actually. So I actually recently passed my forex fund account, right? And this is the certificate. And I'm also currently now I'm in the verification process, although I've gotten the live account login, right? But I'm just in the verification process now. So but like I'll be telling you more and talking about how I passed the challenge, the emotion and everything about it, but that will be very very soon, right? I'm still planning the video. I want to actually bring out my time to do a solid video about it, right? So please, if you're watching this video up to now, please do well to like, subscribe and share, okay? So we'll be moving to the teachings proper. So I'll be closing my photos now. So this is EURUSD, right? This is EURUSD on the daily time frame, right? Now EURUSD on the daily time frame. So EURUSD on the daily time frame. So how do I start this backtesting process? So basically what I need is the daily time frame, right? But you can start from the monthly to just view what is happening overall from the monthly. Now from the monthly time frame, you can see on EURUSD we are in a downtrend, and when you're in a downtrend, probably there is no two ways about it, right? But like, it doesn't mean price will not actually go up, right? So but I'm not teaching high insights currently, because there are many other things you have to have in mind to do a long-term analysis, you understand. But for now, I just want to show you guys how to backtest, so I don't just want to deviate, because deviating will actually take up more time. So what are you going to do? Just pull out your vertical line tool. So place it. This was on the Friday, just the 5 days of the 5 trading days from Monday to Friday, you understand. So that's what you're gonna do. I want to clone it 5 times. 2, this 3, this 4, clone. So all you're going to do, vertical lines from, you actually place vertical line on each day from Monday to Friday of the past week of trading. I believe I'm done right here, right? So I'm done. So this is from Monday to Friday. So I can actually be adding another line like the next day, that is Monday 17. So this is Monday area. Remember there is Sunday midnight. So from this, you will not actually, will I say, from this line you actually just saw now, like there is nothing special or nothing much, or but when I break down lower, you will understand what we are actually trying to do. So this is a 4-hour time frame. This is a 4-hour time frame, right, on Euro USD, and you can see the market was probably consolidating, as you can see. So market was consolidating from Monday till Thursday probably, although the consolidation, the range is somehow will I say, it's not like it's that will I say massive, or but probably this is just a consolidation. So you just understand this is a consolidation week, and in a consolidation week the weekly profile is not like as expected sometimes. Now as you can see here, I believe this is Thursday actually formed the low of the week, and Friday formed the high of the week, which probably, if on a normal situation, on a normal will I say analysis, if it's on a bearish week, right, bearish week, you want price to go lower, you expect Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday to form high of the week, then Thursday, Friday will just be the breakdown. Then if it's on a bullish week, you expect Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Like, it's not like it's a must. As you can see here, Thursday actually did it, right? It depends on the overall and will I say, the overall confluence, the overall analysis, right, from the monthly time frame, the overall trend direction you're looking at. You don't just like conclude. You actually look from the let's say higher time frame, right? You focus, or your focus should be on the higher time frame, because higher time frame levels, or has will I say institutional sponsorship, they are more relevant, right, than lower time frame structures. Now when you see something like this, when it didn't actually form as planned, this is telling you something that like from next week, this is actually showing you something, that something is about to happen, which I will mention before this video ends, right? So let's proceed. So as I said, adibin is gonna be is let's say we are in an uptrend, right, and it's a bullish week, a bullish month. You understand? Expect Monday, Tuesday to actually drop lower. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then Thursday, Friday breaks higher, continue the trends, because you understand that is will I say market is probably gonna be forming a higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, something like that, right? So but now in this case we saw it happen on Thursday. Believe me, this Thursday forming and low, Friday forming high does not happen always. It's probably rare, right? It's rare. And I actually point out where price is actually trying to head to. And if you go on your daily time frame, you see this gap. This is probably a daily FVG. So this spike, I was expecting price to reach 0.9, this is 0.98400, but like price did not actually reach 0.9800. So I'm still expecting that, because it's on top, right? Even if we are bearish, even if you're in a downtrend, I want to see price reach there, you understand, feel the gap, then keeps going lower. If it actually wants to go lower, it can still break higher and change the trend from bearish to bullish. But with the confluence and everything happening currently, including the seasonal tendency, I don't really think the market is gonna break high. But like, if you are trading currently, you should actually use I say strong risk management, because some moves happening in the markets currently are very, very, very massive. You can see what CPI did on this thing. The CPI news dropped, I guess, on Thursday or so, right? Yeah, like about 100 pips under few minutes. 100 pips under few minutes. I believe is this. Look at it here. Let me show you guys. It's around on. Wait, let me push this up, that you can see what I'm trying to show you from here. down to here. Let's just use the body, 100 pips. So probably, and this happened in less than a minute or so. In less than a minute, right? In less than a minute. So I don't think any stop loss or anything would have protected your account. Let's go down to the 1 minute time frame. Just want to confirm. Just want to confirm. So this is the 1 minute time frame. This Sunday. Okay. I'm looking for that particular dump, finding it difficult. So this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday. Probably it's happened. Okay, look at it. You can see the drop. You can see it here. So as you see, in less than a minute, believe me, if you had a stop loss or anything, but probably the market was a clear sell though, so many people would have actually been in the sell position. But what you ask yourself, if this market should go against me, can I actually take the loss? Like, am I willing to take this loss or anything? And believe me, it was in this ranging arena I passed the challenge. Sincerely, when the market is ranging, it looks more easier because it tends like probably I was actually buying lows. All these lows I bought them actually. It's not like it's compulsory, but I know it can go lower. But on this particular day, on Friday, I didn't actually hold the trade for long, although I sold initially, right? But like I didn't hold the trades for long. So the market broke down, still actually went up. So what are we like, what is the takeaway right here right now is for you to notice how the high of the week and the low of the week, you understand, was formed, right? Once you see how the high and the lows of the week was formed, note the days they formed and how they formed, right? And the Q zone is formed under. After noting that, you understand, you can still move. Then you check the time. Why checking the time? Okay, let's say this was on what? This was on Monday. Now this was the low of Monday. Check the time. What time did this low form? Around 5 London. Then price actually came back around 7 also to that low, right? But now you can see, looking at the market, believe me, this is ranging. So sincerely, as the market is ranging, there is nothing much to actually talk about, right? We just saw it's ranging. So when market is ranging like this, after a consolidation, the next thing you expect is what? An expansion. So it's either an expansion higher or an expansion lower, right? An expansion higher or an expansion lower. So probably last week was just consolidation, and I don't know what I can actually, it's just clear, right? There's nothing much to emphasize here. But what I'm trying to emphasize now was the high and the low of the week was not actually formed on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. It formed, the low of the week was formed on Thursday, then Friday formed the high of the week. And this actually shows you that there is a change or a shift in market structure overall, right? So for me now, what am I actually expecting from Monday? Well, it depends. Long-term trade, remember we have long-term scalping or anything. So if I actually want to make 20 pips daily, I know the Q zone and time zone I actually target and get that, right? But overall, I want to see price take out that daily FVG. Let me show you guys on the daily time frame. So you can see it here, this shaded box right here. So I want to see price drive there. So it's not like I'll start buying immediately to go here though, but like it's either I wait to see price here and see the reaction, it's gonna drop, or it keeps going. But overall for the facts is that I know that the market is gonna go here. That's just what I'm sure about. So, and there's nothing maybe will stop me from actually buying. But I will not, it's not like I'm buying, but probably not here. I'll break down to the lower time frame to look for entries, right? So if I should buy, then that will be my target, right? So that is just it currently, right? For me, that is just it currently on EURUSD. And believe me,